I'm Kristen. This is Madeline. Today we're in the Louise Dimmick Garden out here at Burnside Plantation. We're just walking through in the morning while the gardeners are out here on a Saturday. It's gorgeous. And we're just kind of walking around. I saw this weird plant. I'm hoping Madeline can tell us a little bit more about it.
Yes, Kristen, this plant is called Love in the Mist. It has a beautiful sky blue flower in the early summer. Now it's at the stage where all the little seeds are inside, and this is very prolific. This plant really spreads, and all these little seeds will become another little flower, Love in the Mist.
Does it bloom in the spring?
We're in probably May and June.
Okay, so like late spring, early summer.
Early summer.
And then it still goes pretty quickly to these pods.
Yes.
And then so you could like keep the pods and maybe plant them, or do they just
Well, they will
develop
open.
themselves?
They will open, but they're even pretty just used in an arrangement as this.
I like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.